Today we'll be making framing or corner blocks out of some scrap timber. Framing or corner blocks are used to ensure 90-degree corners when gluing either mitered or butt-fitted front corners for picture frames, or for that matter anything else that requires a 90-degree corner. We measure out 150mm from the end of the timber. Then at the 70mm mark from the end, in the centre, we run two 45-degree lines. At the intersection of the 45-degree lines, a 22mm spade bit is used to drill through the timber. Now onto the table saw. Follow the 45-degree lines. Remember, keep your fingers out of the way and don't forget your PPE. These cuts will ensure that we have both internal and external 90-degree angles cut into the wood. This is important because if you don't get the 90 degrees, then all you've made is firewood. Repeat the same process for as many blocks as required. I'd suggest you need at least a set of 4. The blocks can be surface treated by sanding, the application of sanding sealer, some more sanding, and then some varnish. The finishing is completely optional. Oh, and by the way, whilst we look at the framing or corner block surface preparation, remember to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any new content. Now let's see these puppies in action. We are using a butt-fitting 90-degree angle. Glue the ends and clamp until the glue sets. If you have 4 framing blocks, then the complete frame can be constructed in one hit. House the blocks in a suitable holder and mount them onto your workshop wall for easy access when required. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Comments are always welcome.